Welcome back to another luxury home tour right here in the southwest of Las Vegas, right here in Nevada Trails. We're gonna jump into this 4,400 square foot monster right now, pool, spa, all the bells and whistles. So let's go. Welcome back to the channel, and if you guys are new here, my name is Brian Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. This channel is everything Vegas. Whether it's real estate like this or lifestyle choices here in Vegas, please reach out. We love hearing from people, helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Vegas Valley. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, really helps out the channel. And please, information is below if you want to reach out. We're going to get into this one right now. Welcome to our newest listing at 7186 Laramie Avenue, a Las Vegas luxury two-story home listed at $1.2 million. This spacious 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence is a former model home built in 2004 with over 4,400 square feet of living space. It features vaulted ceilings and modern upgrades, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The standout is the custom kitchen with quartz countertops and porcelain island. The property also has brand new LVP flooring and resort-style backyard with heated pool, spa, and a barbecue area. Located in the desirable Nevada Trails neighborhood, Southwest Las Vegas is known for its desirable real estate options, and Nevada Trails is no exception. The Southwest Las Vegas area offers a convenient location with easy access to the Las Vegas Strip and airport. Okay, today we're in Nevada Trails right here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. This 4,400 square foot monster, we're gonna go take a look at it right now. I want you to notice the 3-car garage as we go up, and then as we walk over to the front side, we're gonna walk into a courtyard, 2-way fireplace, and come on up. So we got some steps that are coming up here, gated entry for the courtyard, tons of mature trees out front. We've got a fireplace here in the courtyard, nice little seating area here. And obviously 2-way fireplace there too, so if you want some shade, you can sit on the other side of the fireplace there. Right behind us over here, we do have an office den downstairs that we'll take a look at as we walk into the front. We've got 3 more entrances to the house here, one over there close to the garage, and we've got one here that goes into the dining area, and then the front door here, and then also from the den. So plenty of places to walk into this place, but let's go to the front. So as we walk in, again, this place is huge, so I'm just gonna kind of walk through to the left side and keep you guys, keep us organized here. So as we walk in, we've got this den off to the front that's being used as an office space right now. You got the entry to the courtyard here, and then as we walk this way, we got a half bath here and plenty of storage underneath the stairs. Tons and tons of storage goes around that way as well. Then I love this spiral staircase that they have here, and then the railing that goes around up for the upstairs up there. And we do have a bedroom downstairs, which we'll take a look at right now, which is on this side of the house, completely separate from everything else. So this is the laundry space right here. We got a sink, tons of cabinets in here, laundry room, pretty standard. And then as we walk this way, we've got the downstairs ensuite bedroom that has its own entryway that leads out to the pool. And then we've got its own bathroom over here as well. So stone tile countertops and things like that. Looks like it could use some updating down here. But there is a ton of upgrades that have been done to this property, and we'll show you that as we get to this side of the house. So if we get into one of the main areas here, you can see we've got all new plank laminate flooring throughout the bottom of the house and going up the stairs and up into the upstairs as well. But we've got high ceilings in here, beautiful chandelier coming down. We got accents on the wall here, fireplace. So this is a great little seating area here with your formal dining space that also leads out to the courtyard here. All right, let's head into the kitchen. So as we walk into this side of the house, this is going to be the main space where everybody hangs out. We've got the main living area here, and we've got another door that goes out to the pool area there. We've got all these built-ins here for the entertainment center, and the faux wood beams on the ceiling Plenty of windows to let in light here. And we got a little bit of a dining space here. And then the kitchen looks like it's been completely redone. We've got quartz countertops here, and it looks like either marble or porcelain countertops here for the center island. And very open concept with the open shelving. Let me know what you guys think of the open shelving. Would you like it? Would you not like it? Is it functional? Is it just for looks? You know, all those types of things. But we want to look, we got double dishwashers in the kitchen here, sink with the window overlooking, and nice big Wolf range here. Looks like 6 burner with the griddle in the middle. And we've got the hood up top. And then big GE monogram fridge that's been built in. And we've also got the pantry off to the side here. So plenty of space in this kitchen. Lots of room to entertain. Let's head this way. Got also a wine fridge here. More cabinets and shelving space as we come into this side of the house. What I thought was really kind of cool is this doggy station here. So you got, you know, Fido comes in, he's got his water bowl and his dog bowl there, so he's got his own little space here. We've got the sink up here to service it, and then off to the side here is our garage.
Garage door open.
So this is the 2-car garage, and then it leads off into the 3rd car over here. And we've got lots of storage in that side of the house. Water treatment system here, and then another door that leads off to that side of the house. So there's plenty more where that came from. Let's head upstairs. There's 3 more bedrooms upstairs, another den, and tons and tons of space. So let's go. So as soon as we get to the top of the stairs here, you notice to the right here, we've got a little nook here for a computer desk. Kids can do their homework type of stuff. And then we come around, we got the windows that overlooking the courtyard down here. And then as we walk up this way, we've got the other den space up here, which is right now is being used for a gym and a home theater. We got the projection screen and the projector on the wall there, and home theater right there. Let's head on to this side of the house. It's kind of cool. We can see down on both sides over here. And as we walk in, let's go this way first. We got another nice little desk that sits off of here. Again, kids can do their homework and whatnot. And then we've got both bedrooms on this side of the house. We do have a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects both of these bedrooms together. You got your closet there. Cool little windows here. And then as you walk into the Jack and Jill bathroom that services both of these bedrooms, you got the old school tile countertops in here, dual sinks, shower in there. And then as we head this way, come on, we'll go this way. Going into bedroom number 3. All right, let's head into the primary bedroom. Long hallways. So as we get to the primary bedroom, opens wide open, and we've got some built-ins here for your entertainment center here. I actually really like this bedroom. You got the crown molding throughout in the house out here. You got the big baseboards throughout as well. Let's check this out really quickly. We've got a balcony that off the master here, or the primary bedroom, excuse me. Come on out here. So nice big balcony out here. We've got pool below and plenty of seating area out here. Come out here and drink your coffee or whatnot. And as we walk into the primary bathroom, you can see they've redone this entire bathroom here. Got the soaking tub in the middle. Got the dual sinks on each side, again with quartz countertops. And we've got the big walk-in shower here. And then check this out, come with me. As we walk into this closet, it keeps coming all the way around, come up. So nice big closet, lots of built-ins in here. And now we'll check out the pool. All right, come on, let's go check out the resort-like backyard. Okay, covered patio out here, gives you plenty of shade. You got some artificial turf right here, stays green year round, which is good in the desert. You've got outdoor kitchen here, granite countertops, stone facade around it. And then we've got your pool and spa over here. Planters on all four sides. You can put some bigger trees and palm trees in there. Walk-in entry pool, and then we've got the spa on this side. And then here's the entrance to the downstairs bedroom right here, so you can have some guests staying over with you. They got their own entry out to the pool. And then walk into your spa here, elevated spa, dipping into the pool. Beautiful backyard. Thanks for coming on the tour with us of this 4,400 square foot monster right here in Nevada Trails in the southwest of Vegas. Again, this channel is designed for everything Vegas, whether it's real estate like this, lifestyle choices, please reach out. We love helping people find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out, and contact information is below. We'll keep making these videos as long as you guys keep watching because we love doing this, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here.